If you're working with resin 3D printing, you already know, the real magic happens after the print. That's where the Elegoo Mercury XS Bundle comes in. This all-in-one wash and cure solution is designed to give your models a clean, professional finish with minimal effort. The powerful washing system removes excess resin quickly and efficiently, even from complex models with fine details. Then, the 360-degree UV curing ensures your prints are evenly hardened from every angle, improving durability and surface quality. One standout feature is the large capacity, making it perfect for bigger models created on printers like the Saturn or Mars series. And for even more flexibility, the bundle includes a handheld UV lamp, allowing you to cure hard-to-reach areas or add finishing touches with precision. Simple controls and an intuitive setup make the entire process fast and beginner-friendly, while still delivering results that professionals will appreciate. If you want cleaner prints, stronger results, and a smoother workflow, the Elegoo Mercury XS Bundle is a must-have addition to your 3D printing setup. Check the link in the description to learn more.